Hi guys, today I'll be sharing my favorite mask. This mask will not only help you reduce dark circles and dark spots but will also help you reduce acne and facial hairs on your skin. A year ago, I had the kind of acne that used to sit under my skin and make it look bumpy and red. It was so frustrating and I was very conscious about my skin all the time. And then my mom recommended me to use this mask. And since then I have been using this mask almost on a daily basis. This mask has done wonders to my skin and I would really recommend you guys to use this mask and let me know what wonders it has done to your skin in the comment section below. Without any further delay, let's get started.
Take 4 tablespoons of Besan. Besan helps kill acne and exfoliate skin. Take half teaspoon of haldi, turmeric. Haldi has anti-inflammatory properties and is rich in antioxidants and fights acne scars and heals broken skin. Take 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil helps lighten dark spots. Take 2 tablespoons of milk. Milk contains acid and all sorts of vitamins to soothe and hydrate skin. Now blend it to form a paste. This should be the consistency of your paste.
Let this mask dry off. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the mask has dried off, it becomes a bit stiff. It has become very difficult for me to even speak right now. Take a little water and wet the mask and then scrub it to remove. Remove the whole mask in this way. You can see what difference it has made to my skin. I challenge you to use this mask twice a week for a month and see what wonders it does to your skin. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.